Good day, everyone. Welcome to MLM5 Abstract Algebra. I'm Angel Serrano from BSN Math 3. So for today, our main agenda is to relate the order of the group of S and the order of its subgroups. And in understanding the relationship between the order of the group and the order of its subgroups, we begin by identifying the order of the group of S, which is denoted by the cardinality of the entire group of S, or in the total number of elements in S. And in this case, okay, by counting, we have a total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So the group of S under binary operation star is a group of order of 16 since it contains a total number of 16 elements. So since we've already determined the order of the group of S, we can now proceed with the order of its subgroups. So to identify the possible subgroups of the group of S, we consider all its divisors. So when we say divisor, it is any integer that divides 16 without leaving any remainder. So we have 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. So these are the orders of the subgroups in a group of S. So we have the subgroups of order 1, subgroups of order 2, subgroups of order 4, subgroups of order 8, and lastly subgroups of order 16. So next, let's proceed to the order of its subgroups starting with the subgroups of order of 16. So under the subgroups of order of 16, we have the improper subgroup. So since the entire group of S is also considered as a subgroup of itself, which is often categorized as this one, which is the improper subgroup, hence the improper subgroup is also an order of 16. So next, we have the proper subgroups. Again, with the subgroups of order 8. So we have the group of S sub 1, which contains the elements A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7 under binary operation star. Then next we have the group of S sub 2, containing the elements A0, A2, A4, A6, D, I, K, E under binary operation star. We have next the group of S sub 3, which contains the elements A0, A2, A4, A6, W, N, and R under binary operation star. So these are all the subgroups of order 8 since all of these subgroups contains a total number of 8 elements. Next, we have the subgroups of order 4, and these are the group of S of 4 containing the elements A0, A2, A4, A6 under binary operation star. Then we have the group of S of 5 containing the elements A0, A4, TK under binary operation star. Next, we also have the group of S sub 6 containing the elements A0, A4, N, and R under binary operation star. Next, we have the group of S sub 7 containing the elements A0, A4, I, E under binary operation star. And lastly, we have the group of S sub 8 containing the elements A0, A4, W, L under binary operation star. So these are all the subgroups of order 4 since the subgroups contains a total number of 4 elements. The next have the subgroups of order 2. So under the subgroups of order 2, we have the group of S of 9 containing the elements A0 and A4 under binary operation star, the group of S of 10 containing the elements A0, A under binary operation star, the group of S of 11 containing the elements A0, W under binary operation star, group of S of 12 containing the elements A0 and I and their binary operation star. The group of S of 13 containing the elements A0 and N and their binary operation star. The group of S of 14 containing the elements A0 and K and their binary operation star. The group of S of 16 containing the elements A0 and L and their binary operation star. The group of S of 16 containing the elements A0 and E, their binary operation star. The group of S of 16 containing the elements A0 and E, their binary operation star. Group of S sub 17 containing the elements A0 and R under binary operation star. So these are all the subgroups of order 2 since all of the subgroups contains a total number of 2 elements. And then lastly, we have the trivial subgroup. So the trivial subgroup is subgroup of order 1 since it contains only one element, which is the identity element A0. So hence, a group of S of order 16 is related to its subgroups S of n in such a way that the order of any group is always a divisor of the order of the group of S. And that would be all for today. Thank you so much for listening.